Oh, back at the same beginning? Okay. I can solve this. I can solve this. Ah! Okay, to repeat. I can solve this.
Lisa!
I know! Dad's gonna steal some icing!
Too late.
Gotta jog fast! We're both caught in repeating time loops where we die at the end.
I can burp magic.
Take 2 steps back, Ralph.
Okay.
Trust me, that helps us on so many levels.
Hey, maybe we're supposed to work together to save each other.
Booyah!
Oh, I guess that means I have to throw myself into the wood chipper? Okay.
There's other alternatives!